Hello and welcome. This video is going to show you how to use the partitioning column method for subtraction. This written method is used in year 2. So imagine I have the sum 48 take away 12. Using my knowledge of place value, I know that I have 4 tens over in this number and I have 8 ones. So I'm going to partition or break my number apart. Over here I have 1 10 and 2 ones. So now what I need to do is take away this 10 from those 4 tens. So that leaves me with 3 tens. And here I'm going to take this 2 away from these 8 ones. That will leave me with 6 ones. So the answer to 48 to take away 12 is 30 tens, or 3 tens, which is 30, and 6 ones, which gives me a total of 36.